Hi, my name is Stephen Magee, and I'm the author of Hypoxia, Mental Illness, and Chronic Fatigue. And we're here to talk about the super toxic Salem Police Department. So this is a Salem Police Department report that I've obtained. I had an encounter with a very unexpected encounter with the Salem Police Department. These reports cost about $23 to obtain from them. I again asked Stephen how I could help him. He ignored me and continued to record my vehicle. I asked for a case number and provided it to Stephen. Yes, he did give me a case number. I verbally gave Stephen the case number and I told him I was going to leave. So what's interesting is it's emerged that there appears to be 2 or 3 case numbers associated with this case. So I made 3 reports. The first one was harassment in the park, which was the call he didn't respond to. So there appears to be a police report for that, which I've not been given the number. I'm going to have to start chasing that down. There appears to be a 3rd police report in the system, which is my report of him assaulting me, which we're going to get into a little bit later. So he hit me, and it was unprovoked, and I reported it to 911. So that police report seems to be missing of my report of being assaulted by Diaz from the Salem Police Department. He engaged in unwanted physical contact with me. Stephen asked why I would not take his statement. I told Stephen I had attempted to do so several times, but he refused to answer my question and found my car more interesting. Well, that's a complete lie. So after we video recorded his car, I tried to get him to take my statement, and he wouldn't. He refused to take my statement. So he's fabricating information here. And it's clear on the video I was trying to give him my statement, and he left the scene without taking an accurate statement. And it's actually not in here. The statement I gave him at the scene is not in this police report. He's disappeared it. And my statement was about gardeners in the park harassing me who were working for the sheriff's work crew. So, and also that Kadin did not intervene from the sheriff's department. So that's very interesting. So he's totally engaging in blatant lies in this police report. He's disappeared information that should be in there and isn't. And it's just littered with omissions and errors. Thank you. Thank you for showing up. My complaint is actually about these people, the groundskeepers of the park. They're in various locations. When I walked into the park, they started harassing me. I was just minding my own business. And I need to file a police report about it. So they're in force today for some reason in the park, and they engaged in all kinds of weird harassment behaviors with me. So I'd like to report that, and I need a case number. I also need to file a police complaint against the sheriff who was in attendance and did nothing.
Okay. So, for starters, they work here, Stephen. It's the city parks for the city of Salem. Okay, they're doing work. All right. And case number, I will get you a case number. I'll be taking a report.
Okay.
And you need to call the sheriff if you want to file a complaint against a deputy.
Can I have that number?
You're an adult. You can find it. It's on the internet.
Okay. So I'd like you to give me the number of the sheriff.
It's not going to happen.
Why not?
Because you're an adult, okay? And you can do it.
So you're saying that you won't give me the sheriff's number to file a police complaint?
Okay, because you're a big man and you can do it on your own. Okay?
I'm after the number. Why won't you give me the number?
Look it up on your phone.
Why won't you give me the number? My phone's not connected to the internet.
Okay, go to the library.
The libraries are closed.
Okay. No, they're not.
What time is the library opening hours?
8 to 5.
Are you sure about that?
Yep.
There's been a lot of changes in the libraries around here recently.
No, there hasn't, actually.
There has. I've seen the strikes.
So, how else can I help you, Stephen?
I don't believe he knows I'm a police corruption researcher. So that's the other funny thing going on with this police report. If you have an encounter with the Salem Police Department, I wish you the very best of luck, because you are totally going to need it. You're going to find yourself in a very, very toxic situation at times with this particular police department. I just feel so sorry for you if you come into contact with them. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.